And you speak, it's always the same time. It's always the same time. And it's fucking crank time, boys. As you can see, by the background of tats and childhood malarkey that we have got in my room here, we are in my room in the UK at my parents' house. Haven't been here in a while. As you boys know, I'm in the UK for a month while I sort my visa and such and such and such. So I'm seeing my family and I'm in my childhood room. So, pretty weird vibes in here, mate. But the topic of discussion is a trade recap. And we took these 3 trades yesterday. 1 win, so the ACG was up 2R for the day, and then the top step was -1R because I didn't take the top step. Excuse me. Well, these two should actually be swapped around. I didn't take the euro on the top step because the copper trade came first, essentially. But we're going to go through all of them today. We'll start with the copper loss because don't we love losses. This was a 2.6R reversal. Oh, I love it, bro. I love it. Fuck. Bro. Everyone's DMing me like, oh, you should have moved to break even. Fuck you. You fucking break even dogs. Anyway. Daily time frame. I'm going to do it the same way I do it every single time, boys, so you boys can learn the hybrid model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Massive. This candle is what's pretty much made us bullish. Not going to lie, if we didn't have this massive bullish volume to the upside, we'd be consolidation here. And we were consolidation here for the past couple days on copper. But when this big bullish candle came through on the daily on Friday, we're then nice and bullish, creating that nice movement to the upside there. Going over to the 4 hour, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Bullish on the 4 hour as well. Then on the 1 hour, same exact stuff. So basically, this is where it gets a bit complex. Let me, because this is wrong here, because I need to replay tool to when I got entered, because that's going to be the accurate depiction of what the 1 hour is going to look like in that moment. Because the 1 hour did change to bearish pretty much shortly after, but we were already in the trade, so we don't really bother about changing our bias. But we've had 1, 2, 3 here, and then we've had the highs here, 1, 2, 3. On this low side, this is where it gets a bit complex. So we've had 1 high here, then a lower high, then a higher high. So then the count of the 1, 2, 3 restarts. So then we only had 1, 2 on the highs. We had 1, 2, 3 on the lows, yeah, but we only had 1, 2 on the highs. So copper was very close to switching to bearish, but we were filled before it switched to bearish. So that's our trade idea still valid. I don't think that had any contribution to why we lost. I honestly think it's just probability at the end of the day. So let's fast forward through this copper trade. This was only taken on the top steps. Nice 2.6R reversal for us. Just to treat us on a nice Tuesday morning. We got filled there. So that's the copper loss. Now let's go through the 2 euro trades that we took, because this might teach you some niche ruling that obviously comes up within the model. So bias on EU then. Let's, boom. Bullish on the daily. Clear there. 4 hour. Clear. I'm not even going to explain it. You boys know. And then on the 1 hour, it's where it gets a bit more complex once again. We've had... Oh, my shit's lagging. There we go. It's caught up. We've had 1 high here, because I'm counting this like this as a high here. 1 high. Then a lower high. Here. Then a higher high, so you reset the count. You would have actually had 1, 2 there, so 1, 2, 3. But then on the low side, we never got it. We only had 1, 2 on the low. So once again, it's a case of when you've had 1, 2, 3 on the highs, but you've not had 1, 2, 3 on the lows, you can still take the trade until it reverses to, obviously, the opposite trend there. We've had our previous session level sweep right here. Asian low. Then, once that first bullish candle forms, draw the fake out zone. Price came up, tapped the fake out zone. We broke structure right here. Fib tool on the whole move. Boom. Hit nice 3R piece there. Then, this is where it gets a bit much. So you guys need to lock and clock in. I'm going to delete this one so it clears up the charts a bit. Then, as you boys know, we have the New York crossover rule. Now, the New York crossover rule states that if the fib range... Yeah, so let's say we've got a setup here. Yeah, we've broke structure, we've sweeped, and we've got a setup here. I know we've already been filled, but this is now for the New York continuation. If either on the 5 minute or the 15, the fib tool range, if we were to follow price, extends, then we can basically not wait for a resweep in New York and actually just take the continuation, which is what we did. We took the continuation here, and unfortunately we got stopped out. That's probability. We could have had a winning day where we had 6R back-to-back sessions on the same pair. It's happened before. It'll happen again, but it didn't happen today. So that's why we took that second loss on EU. But we were up for the day, so that's pretty sweet, mate. I don't mind that. You know what I'm saying? I'll put that note 15-minute candle there. That's honestly the trade recap for today, boys. The live account got pumped. Obviously, we're up 2R on the live account, which is really, really nice for me. Up 2R on the ACGs. FTMOs are also up. I haven't been noting down the fact that they're FTMO because basically, for me, ACG means all Forex accounts. So I really should put all Forex accounts, but that's just too long. So I just put ACG and I know what it means. So if you ever see my journal saying ACG, that means I've taken it on my 2 100Ks of FTMO, my FTMO 1 100K challenge, my 1 100K challenge of ACG, my 1 50K challenge of ACG, and my IC Markets account as well. So that's what that means. So the model is working, mate. So I don't know why you're not hopping on it, bud. You know what I'm saying? As we always do. As we always do, boys. It's a routine. Look what I've dragged on the screen. It's a routine. We're going through the Discord. As you boys actually know, to be fair, if you're seeing this video and you're in time, we are doing a paintballing day with all of the Trading Club boys. We've got 16 people on it at the moment. It's going to be in the Midlands. So I did do an announcement here. It's going to be the Midlands, 21st or the 22nd of June. It's going to find out which one most people are free for, because obviously I'm in the UK, so I may as well get a Trading Club meetup. We're going to do a dinner as well, I think. It'll be pretty sick. So if you're on the Discord, bro, DM me and I'll add you to the list. Genuinely, there's no requirement to come, bro. Regardless of if you're active in the calls or not, we're down to just connect, bro. You know what I mean? Let's connect as traders. Let's grow the network, so to speak, boys, and get to know you boys. But shout out to someone from the VIP boys now. Phoenix has recently hopped on the VIP. I mean, he's only on the 3-day free trial, and he said that he won't be continuing with us after, unfortunately. But he's grinding the model, asking the right questions. I think he was grinding the model a little bit before as well. So shout out to him for jumping on the model, making the right change to jump to the mechanical trading, which obviously I think is full future, mate, to be honest. But just a quick one for me. Oh, voice crack. I'm not even going to edit that out because I'm just a savage. Just a quick one for me today, boys. Going to keep grinding out the vids for you guys. We've got a lot of good stuff planned. A lot of good info being transversed from my mind to yours. But I'll see you in the Discord, fellas. Links in the description for everything that you need to know. As per usual, peace out.